Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. I've got Stella Chroma. It's Our Choices. And H. La Beauty in Bloom. I've got Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And look at the stunner. It's Our Choices. Stella Chroma doing it again. Love the brush. You guys know I'm a brush snob. And this is one of my favorites. And the formula is fantastic. You guys know I'm going to make a mess just because, you know, I always make a mess. I'm going to cap my free edge here. Getting a little blurry. Oof. But I love the red and the cranberry and the copper. Oh, it's just so pretty. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So here we go with our second coat. And this is a Harry Potter themed polish. I realized she had some more that I didn't have, and you guys know they just got to be about friends, Harry Potter, things like that. Woody back again. You know, they just hook, line, and sinker me every time with the names or the themes, and So we're going to top that with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Today I'm going to get it to dry down so I can just do some regular basic stamping. I'm not doing any advanced stamping or anything crazy today. Just this is what I call the basic manicure. Look at that. So pretty. And this is the H. La and Beauty in Bloom plate. Let me put my hand behind it. There we go. I'm going to use that image, and I'm going to use another image as well. I've got my Maniology Cube Stamper and Shutout by Bases Loaded Lacquer today. So here we go. We're going to get busy with it. Now, I love these plates. I love these acrylic plates. I'm not having to fight the lighting so much. It's just, they're so easy to use, and they're got cool images. I just forget about them because I don't store them with my metal plates. So I just, you know, I need to like put them in the middle of my desk or something so that they're always available and in eye's view so that I can remember to use them. So I've decided to use this big image right here on my thumb and my ring fingernail, and I'm going to do something else with the other three nails. Try to line that up. Pretty good. Not dead on, spot on, perfect. They have these little lines, and I decided to use one of them. You can see I've already done my pointer now. Well, you could have seen it. I don't know. I move pretty quick. And I'm just kind of running that like across the middle of each nail. But it had like the little hearts in it that kind of matched up with the big image that I used. And I mean, sometimes my imagination value's not working. It's not clicking. So I don't break out extra other plates. I just try to find something on that plate to work. I'm going to hop in here with a little piece of tape and get this extra polish up. The tape trick is so nice when it works. I'm going to top these nails with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Once that's totally dry, I mean, it doesn't take it long, it's quick. I am going to be using Poshe top coat today, as I do almost for every single manicure. Every once in a while I'll use something different, but this is my go-to. And make it all glossy and shiny and pretty. And make it dry down quick. But there we go. Beautiful, beautiful. And I really enjoyed this. Hi, Woody. Golly, he's really coming out today. He's just hanging out with us. But I enjoyed this one, and I hope you did too. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.